Right, we gotta be careful. And Sally, we did amazing on this chocolate cake.
We did!
Yep, and I love the decoration, Sally. It looks so pretty.
Me too, it looks so pretty.
I know, Sally. Let's go to the party.
Oh, Deema, look! I think the house is right there!
Oh, where's Sally? Oh, Sally, you're totally right. Let's go.
Let's go.
Here, Sally, I'm going. Oh, no! Sally, the cake!
Oh no, Deema, why did you drop it?
It was your fault, Sally. You told me to run faster.
No, it's not. It's your fault. You can't hold it good.
Well, whatever, Sally. Now we can't go to the birthday party without a cake. It's okay, Sally. Let's clean it up.
Yeah.
Birthday party anymore.
I know. Oh, Deema, look over there. What is it?
Where's Sally? Oh, I see it too. Let's go check it out.
Come on, Sally.
Whoa! What is this?
I don't know.
Sally, it looks like a vending machine.
It says a happy birthday. What?
Oh yeah, Sally, I wonder what it means. And I think you put the money in here.
Oh, and what's these?
Oh, this is the choices. We got Oreo cake, Kit Kat, my favorite, balloons,
What?
and flowers. Balloons
What?
and flowers. That's weird. Okay. Wait, where's my purse? Let me get it quickly. Oh, there we go. We got my purse. Okay, now let's see how many I have.
Yes.
Ooh, I got $40. Okay, now let's use it. Ready, Sally?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Deema, please get the Kit Kat. Bye.
Okay, let's press it. Whoa! The Kit Kat! It's a Kit Kat cake, Sally!
Wow.
Whoa!
This is amazing. Let's go to the birthday party.
Yes, Sally, let's go! We finally have a Kit Kat cake!
Let's go. Oh my God, it looks so good.
I know, Sally, it looks so delicious. And I'm really hungry.
Me
You know
too.
what, Sally? Let's have a couple of bites before we go to the birthday party.
Yeah.
Okay, let's sit down. And let's get the spoons. Okay, we got our spoons. Now let's open it. Oh, that looks so delicious. Smell that deliciousness. Okay, let's try it. This is so good. Tastes like real Kit Kat, Sally. I can't believe it.
Me too.
That was so good, Sally.
I know.
Sally, the birthday party! Oh no, I forgot. Let's go back to the vending machine and go get cake.
Yeah.
We made it to the vending machine, Sally.
We did. Deema, can I please put the money?
Okay, sure, Sally. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get the Oreo cake. Put the money in.
Okay.
Sally, let's get the Oreo cake.
Okay.
There we go. Whoa!
It's the Oreo cake.
You're right, Sally. Ooh, this looks so delicious. Let's go now. Oh, Sally, I'm so tired. Let's go to the... This cake looks so good. I keep looking at it.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Sally, I know what you're thinking. Let's do it.
Yes.
Okay, let's get our spoons. Okay, we got our spoons. Okay, Sally, are you ready to try this beautiful Oreo cake?
Yes.
Oh, this looks so delicious. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's try it. This is so good.
It is.
Better than the Kit Kat cake. That was so good, and I'm really full, Sally.
Me too.
Sally, the birthday party! Oh no! Sally, we need to go get one more cake. I promise I'm not gonna eat it. Let's go.
Yep. Come on, Deema, let's go.
I know. Okay, there we go. You can press the button, Sally.
Okay.
Okay, balloons.
Whoa!
Sally, it's a balloon cake.
I know.
Whoa. Okay, this is very perfect, Sally. Now, let's not eat the cake and go to our best friend's birthday party. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Sally.
Okay.
Oop, I didn't see you guys there. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. We don't want to be late. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Let's go.